Hi guys, if call blocking and identification is missing on iPhone, so how to fix this? Just go to settings and then scroll down and find privacy and security. Just tap on it. Now just locate tracking and tap on tracking, and now turn on this option, allow apps to request to track, okay, in tracking, and your problem will be fixed. If this the issue of yours is not resolved, make sure you do not have any app which blocks calls and something like that. If you have any app which blocks calls, then you should delete that app from your phone. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek page.